Hi, thanks for watching this video. We stayed at the Plopsaland Theatre Hotel in December 2025 as part of the New Year's celebration. As soon as you walked into the hotel, you were completely immersed in the theatre environment. The main entranceway was done out as a theatre, with lots of seating and boxes around the top, and then tables and seats that you could sit at and enjoy a drink or just relax after a busy day in the park. We liked the Studio 100 characters that were dotted around, and this carried on throughout the corridors of the hotel, with lots of pictures and artefacts of all the Studio 100 characters. Down the corridor now to our bedroom. Nice pictures on the wall. Really nicely decorated, fancy red carpet as well. All the way down here. Into room 119. Hello.
Hello.
Do you like the room?
Yeah.
So here we are, into the room. So when you first come in, there's luggage storage here and some cupboards and shelves to put things on. A TV welcoming you to the resort, family daily. And then at the end of the bed, a big picture of the auditorium downstairs. And then a nice comfy bed. And then 2 bunk beds where Florence is going to sleep tonight. And lots of pictures on the walls. All around, lots of Studio 100 characters. Lots of people we see in the park today. So we've got a view looking out onto the main road, so nothing to see out the window. But then there's a couple of theatre seats here, along with a picture at the end of the bed, which looks really, really nice. 2 bunk beds with a ladder on them. Big pillows there as well. And there's a light under there, then a light in the top as well. And then over here there's a little director's chair, which looks quite fancy, quite nice. You sitting there, Florence? The boss is around, I'll let you do. There's tea and coffee in here with a tea and coffee making machine. And then in here there's a fridge, so you can put things in the fridge to keep them cool if you're here in the summer. It's about 6 degrees outside today, so we're not going to need that. And then there's a safe in there if you need that for passports and belongings. And then there's some water included as well. But no, it's a really nice room, we really like it. Plenty big enough for the 3 of us for the couple of days we're going to be here. In this first door to the bathroom. Really bright in here. 2 mirrors there that you can see what you're doing. Nice big double sink with 2 taps. There's toiletries in the bathroom that you can use whilst you're here as well, along with a big towel rail. And then a big shower. Nice and clean, bright in here. There's a stool in here, and then some towels underneath there as well. Really, really nice, looks really good. And then in this second door here, there's a separate toilet. Down here in the main area of the hotel now, there's a bar off to the back up there, Joe Bar. There is also a cocktail bar. There's a games room here as well. You've got a pinball machine, racing game, hockey, and a fuzzball table, and a little stage up there with the TV. And then back out and into the grand buffet, where the evening meal and breakfast is served. But we really, really like it. It's really, really nice. Feels very grand. And there's lots of decor and theming around as well, which we really enjoy. Here we are in the restaurant now. It's an all-you-can-eat buffet with a good selection of food. Drinks weren't included, but these can be purchased separately. More salads in here with wrap, and then some more meat dishes and some wedges. Some more salad over here, a vegetarian option, and then pizza and nachos. And then the children's section, some fish nuggets, sausages and chicken nuggets and chips. There was a good selection of desserts, including cakes and donuts, mousse, profiteroles and fruit.
Oh, lovely.
So,
Thank you. Thank you. We've just come down to breakfast now in the restaurant. It's quite quiet this morning, but there's plenty of seating around. Lots of tables for different sized parties. And let's go and see what's on the breakfast buffet. Got a selection of fruit juices and smoothies. And then milk and milkshakes. Got some eggs, I think that's French toast and more eggs. A selection of breads and pastries, along with some salad and some salmon. Got bread for making toast and donuts. Waffles and pancakes, along with syrup and sugar. A selection of ham. Florence was very excited about the Maya ham. We've also got some cheese and meats. Cooked breakfast available here. A selection of cheese and yogurts. And then fruit salad. A selection of cereals is available.
Throughout breakfast and our evening meal, there were characters walking around to keep the children entertained. This was a good photo opportunity and Florence enjoyed seeing Maya.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. That was fun, Florence, wasn't it? When you stay in the hotel, you do get a dedicated entrance to Plopsaland and Plopsaqua. Just out this door here. You can get into the theme park, and then over this way is to Plopsaqua, which is where we're going this morning. Florence can play the keyboard, we're not this good. It's a self-playing piano. Move your fingers, Florence. Excellent.
For our meal on New Year's Eve, the dining room was laid out with nice tablecloths on the tables. There were different food choices as part of the evening buffet. We presume this happens every night, just to give a bit of variety to guests who are staying for multiple days. There was a slight different selection of desserts as well, but the one thing we enjoyed the most was the 2 chocolate fountains. We hope you found this video useful. We really enjoyed staying at the Theatre Hotel and would definitely do it again. If you are thinking of staying and have got any questions, please leave them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.